Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to create an equation like this in Raptor program that's going to calculate the distance for us. Okay, now look at the equation. This is c is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the one we have to get. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. So first we have start. Now we have to get an input from the user. So in order to do that, I put input here. Okay, so with some name, let's give D. Okay, so here we have to get the input from the user. So so we have to give the prompt to the user first. So we are going to say enter first x coordinate. Enter first x coordinate, and we are going to store this one in x1. Okay, the next thing is we are going to ask the user to enter the first y coordinate. And that's going to be y1. And then we ask the user to enter the second x coordinate. X coordinate, and that's x2. And enter the second y coordinate. That's y2. Now we are going to create an equation for the distance as we seen before. That one was this. C is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, now let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and begin that. In order to do that, I have to give assignment here. So let's say distance. Distance is equal to square root. You can just write sqrt because it's already stored in Raptor. So sqrt means square root. Then x2. Okay, we have to put double bracket because we are going to square root the whole thing. So bracket, and in the second bracket we put x2 minus x1 square and plus y2 minus y1 square and close the bracket. Okay, that's it for this one. Finally we have to give the output, so we put the output right here. Okay, so here we put the distance is plus distance. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this. Now let's try the same numbers. Here we have x2 is equal to 3, x1 is equal to 0, y2 is equal to 4, y1 is equal to 0. So we know that x1 and y1 is equal to 0. So whenever they ask for the first x variable or y variable, we can type 0, and second x variable, that is 3, and second x coordinate, second y coordinate is 4. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, let me run this. Something wrong here. it's very slow. Okay, I'm waiting for it to respond. Okay, it's here we go. It was already here. Okay, so first variable was first coordinate was 0 for both. I put 0 here, and first y coordinate, that's also 0. I put 0 here, and then enter the second x coordinate. That one was second x coordinate is x2, that's 3 right here. And then second y coordinate, that one was 4. And finally it says the distance is here. Let me increase the font size so you can see it. So the distance is 5. See, and that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. And also I put the link of my blogger in the description. You can try C or C++ codes over there. There are a bunch of codes I posted over there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.